Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. With this video, I would like to start a whole series in which I will discuss financial issues related to learning programming and the entire game development from scratch. This will be a periodic summary of expenses and hopefully profits one day. Starting practically from scratch, you have to be ready to incur certain costs for books, courses, software, and computer equipment. I don't have any illusions that I will create a game in a month and achieve success. Realistically speaking, if I manage to publish something in 2 years, I will be satisfied. I also don't think that the first game will bring any profits to cover the investment in game development. So this series will progressively evolve over the years. And over the course of at least 2 years, I expect losses rather than gains. So if you're looking for proof that someone created a game from scratch in a week and made millions, well, you won't find it here. Welcome to the realistic side of YouTube. The expenses appearing in the summary will be converted into dollars at the current exchange rate, so there may be several % differences between the prices I paid and the prices you see while watching this video. It's natural, don't be surprised, software or booksellers don't treat me better or worse than others. As I said, I want to develop this series over the years, so if you are from the future, remember that prices may have changed. Probably the biggest costs I will incur over the years will be time and electricity, but I am not including those here. From time to time, I also plan to buy some games from independent developers. Once to see some ideas or tricks, twice to learn something, and 3 for pure fun. I also intend to include them in my expenses. So let's get down to business.